we are back for round 2. But this time, my husband is going to tell me the 3 of his worst that he absolutely don't like. He wish I get rid of handbags in my entire luxury collection. People, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. And listen, the reason why we look like last week, because it's only 10 minutes from now, okay? 10 minutes ago, we recorded, no, I think it took about 15, maybe 20, I don't know. But last week, you saw where he ranked his top 3 favorite bags in my collection. We are here to do his top 3 worst picks in my collection. Okay, so if you wonder why we got the same outfits on, mind your business. Okay, here we're going to talk about the worst. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it up here and down there. Now, when he picked the best, we were on the same page. We was here. We was Bonnie and Clyde off this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? However, this is where it's going to get a little dangerous. This is where the insurance policies will be up to date. This is also where we will be digging in the backyard. I mean, I love them. I got to keep them close. You know what I'm saying? In the backyard is where you got to. But this is the parts where I'm going to catch your attitude. Because I don't like people talking about my stuff. You understand? All right. Bottom 3. So we're going from don't like to really don't like to absolutely hate. What's your number 3?
The white damper.
This one?
Nope, that one. Speed 30.
Now how you ain't gonna like a clap? Okay. So he doesn't like his 3rd is the Speedy 25 and Damier Azur. Now this is a classic bag. In a classic canvas. So please explain to me why you don't like this. It's a classic. Okay, I'm gonna mind my bit. Okay, I'm
easily transferable to get dirty.
Okay, that's fair. Okay, that's fair. So you don't like it because you scared I'm gonna get it dirty and ruin it easily. Okay, that's fair. That's fair, because that's an issue I had. That's an issue I had, so I can't judge on that. Okay, that's fine. Next bag. Choose wisely.
Well, the next one could be 3 or 4.
What?
3 or 4 bags collectively.
Like what?
The mini minis that have no purpose.
Child! They got a purpose. Which one you talking about? These? These got a purpose. Let me tell you something. I could put
nothing. A cell phone.
I could put my cell phone.
Your wallet.
I could put card holder could fit in here.
Card holder, but not your wallet.
I could put. That's okay. If you with me, I don't need my wallet. I don't need my wallet. I got his wallet. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I just need a card holder for my ID. Okay. My lip gloss. That's all I need. And did I mention this is a classic? Do you like my keychain that I added on? That's cute, right? Guess where I got that from?
Amazon.
Why you in my business?
I pay the bills.
Damn it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wait. Why you here, though? Hold on. You like my monster? Winnie gave that to me. Ain't that cute?
Thank you, Winnie.
Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, so that's number 2 is you don't like the Speedy 20s because you feel like they small and they can't carry a lot. Okay, well I'm saying you wrong on it because the 20s can carry your everyday date night essentials. And if you with your man, you'll need your wallet. Don't knock my tree over. a lot of time. Y'all see my tree? I did that on my tour. I spent a lot of time. If y'all haven't seen my Christmas tour, you need to get up on it. I'm very proud of my trees. I got 4. I don't know why I have 4 trees. I don't know. I don't have a logical explanation why I have 4 trees. Why I made him go in the shed and pull down all 4 trees. I don't know. Okay? And I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and explain why. All I know is I love them all. And I'm very proud. Go watch my house tour. Okay. Last bag that you absolutely hate, that you will sell in a heartbeat, that you despise.
This one you like, but I don't really like, is the loot bag.
The loot bag?
Mm-hmm.
I got a loot bag?
Behind me.
Oh! Yes! What the? How you don't like? Listen, and I should be showing mod shots of how I style these bags just to prove them wrong. Just so I can prove them wrong. So y'all should be seeing how I style them. How you don't like this bag? This is a workhorse. You tripping. Listen, look how versatile this bag is. Matter of fact, it might go in my little outfit today. You tripping. Why you don't like this bag? Look at this, y'all. And I got a little pouch. Look at this. It hugs my titty just right. Look how it's hugging my titty. You see it? Ah! Gotta make sure it's still there. Like, why you don't like this bag for real?
It's just too much, too big.
Ain't you the person who owned 3 key balls, a bum bag, and you got another Louis Vuitton bag that's loud, but mine's is too much? You see the hypocrisy? The hypocrisy. I like this bag. This bag is a workhorse, especially like when you go to doctor's appointments. You can stick all your stuff in there, your everyday essentials, plus your paperwork, plus your prescriptions. If you got to pick up prescriptions.
Your nightgown fit in there?
Hell yeah. My little soft little Nordstrom pajamas. Hell yeah. And then in my little pouch. He don't know what he talking about. He don't know what he's talking about. Oh, also I had filmed my I'm gonna wear this bag today out of spite. That's right, you about to take me somewhere wearing this bag. I had filmed my Christmas list. Hopefully that came out before that. So go check that out. And also I'm gonna tag you so you can know what I want for Christmas. Okay? I feel like this year I was very fair and conscious of my purchases.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
Okay? I also felt like I was very budget friendly in my Christmas list. Okay, hold on, the Lord listening. I wasn't budget friendly. But however, I made sure it was stuff that I was going to want forever. Okay? So, if you haven't seen that video, and definitely if you haven't seen that video.
Haven't seen it.
Okay? I'm going to leave that link, my Christmas list for 2025 up here and down here in the video. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet. And leave a comment. Tell him y'all want to see his beautiful face again in the video. And maybe he'll stop running from videos like he running from the FBI and do another video for me.
What do people say on Facebook? I need another 10,000 likes.
Another 10,000 likes. They said on Facebook.
To get me back in this picture, see it again.
Y'all can tell how much he be on social media. He talking about Facebook. But get that man 10,000 likes so we can get him in another video. And I will see you good people in the next one. Okay, bye.